I spent over 30 hours finding home office gadgets most people have no idea exist, and narrowed it down to 20 that genuinely changed how I work. But here's the thing. Number 1 has 0 screens, 0 AI, 0 apps. It's a physical object that solved a problem I didn't know I had. Hit subscribe, and let's start at 20. Number 20. SOULWIT Cable Management Kit. This shouldn't make such a dramatic difference, but it does. Sleeves, clips, and ties that organize every cable behind your desk into invisible order. Installed everything in 15 minutes. Looked at my setup, genuinely didn't recognize it. If your desk looks like a server room had a breakdown, start here. Number 19. Quntis Monitor Light Bar Pro Plus. If you're still using a desk lamp next to your monitor, you're doing it wrong. This clips on top of your screen and lights your desk with 0 glare on the display. Auto-dimming, color adjustment, freed up a third of my desk. My eyes feel less tired by 5 p.m. Didn't expect that from a light bar. Number 18. XNote Smart Pen and Notebook Starter Set. What if every word you wrote on paper instantly appeared on your phone? This smart pen syncs handwriting to an app in real time via Bluetooth. Write on actual paper. The AI tags, translates, and summarizes your notes in over 50 languages. I took meeting notes by hand and had a digital summary before the meeting ended. Budget picks done. Now we're getting into gadgets you've genuinely never seen before. Number 17. Anker PowerConf S330 USB Speakerphone. Record yourself on your laptop mic and play it back. Horrifying, right? This USB speakerphone has smart voice enhancement and echo cancellation that makes Zoom calls sound like a real conference room. I stopped getting, "Can you repeat that?" the day I plugged this in. Number 16. Upright Go 2 Posture Trainer. A tiny device that sticks to your back and vibrates every time you slouch. Like a passive-aggressive chiropractor who never clocks out. After 2 weeks, you sit straighter without it. I wore it for one workday. It buzzed 47 times before lunch. 47. I counted because I was embarrassed. If any of these made you go, "Wait, what?" hit like. More coming. Number 15. Snailax Heated Footrest Under Desk with Vibration Massage. Nobody is talking about this. A heated, vibrating memory foam footrest hiding under your desk. 3 massage modes, 2 heat levels. Your feet get a spa treatment during the quarterly review, and nobody on Zoom has any idea. I use this daily now, and I'm genuinely upset nobody told me these existed sooner. Number 14. SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Sun hits your monitor, you can't see, you adjust the blinds, sit back down. 20 minutes later, it happens again. This clips onto your existing blinds and makes them smart. Schedule open at sunrise, close when glare hits. No new blinds needed. Problem I didn't know had a solution. Solved. Number 13. Orbitkey Desk Mat. Looks like a normal desk mat. Then you lift the magnetic flap, hidden document pocket underneath. Tuck your to-do list, notes, anything. Built-in magnetic cable holders along the edge keep charging cables from sliding off. A desk mat with secret compartments. I feel like a very organized spy. Number 12. Shokz OpenFit Air. Earbuds that sit outside your ear canal. Music goes in, awareness stays. Doorbell, kids, your partner asking what's for dinner the 3rd time, you hear it all while your playlist keeps playing. For 8-hour earbud wearers, the zero ear fatigue is real. Switched 3 weeks ago. My ears have never been happier. Number 11. Govee RGBIC Corner Floor Lamp. Not a gaming product. One corner lamp transforms your office background from spare bedroom to this person has their life together. Millions of colors, music sync, works with Alexa, I put one behind my desk, and 3 people on Zoom asked if I'd moved offices. Instant credibility upgrade. We're in the top 10. Every product from here could be your favorite find this year. Number 10. FluidStance, the plain balance board. If you have a standing desk and gave up because your feet hurt after an hour, this is why. A balance board designed specifically for work. Subtle movements all day, burns 19% more calories than sitting, eliminates standing fatigue completely. Used by employees at Google and Nike. I stopped getting tired at my standing desk the week I started using this. Number 9. RENPHO Eyeris One Eye Massager. When I first saw this, I thought it was a joke. Strap it over your eyes, heated air compression massages your eye sockets while Bluetooth plays music. 15 minutes during lunch feels like a 2-hour nap. I look absolutely ridiculous wearing it. I don't care. My screen-fried eyes have never felt better. Number 8. Levoit Core 300S Smart Air Purifier. Here's something nobody thinks about: the air in your home office. This smart purifier connects to an app showing real-time air quality. I checked mine with the door closed all day and genuinely didn't believe how bad it was. Auto-adjusts fan speed, works with Alexa. My allergies during work hours basically disappeared. Number 7. Aqara Presence Sensor FP2. This uses radar, actual millimeter wave radar, to detect you at your desk. Not motion, presence. It senses you breathing. Lights on when you sit, off when you leave. No more waving your arms because the sensor thinks the room is empty. My smart home finally works the way it should. Number 6. Elgato Stream Deck Neo. A secret the streaming community keeps from office workers. 8 programmable LCD buttons. Mute Zoom, launch morning apps, trigger email templates, control smart lights. All one tap. Built for streamers. Quietly becoming the best productivity tool nobody told office workers about. Top 5. Before I reveal these, can you guess number 1? Drop your prediction below. Number 5. kSafe Time Locking Container. Beautifully brutal. Put your phone inside, set the timer, press the button. It physically locks. No override, no cheat code. Backed by research from Harvard and Stanford on pre-commitment. I locked my phone for 2 hours during deep work and got more done than I had all week. Screen time dropped from 5 hours to 1.8. Ruthless. Number 4. GravaStar Alpha 6565 watts gallium nitride charger. I thought this was a toy. It's a 65-watt gallium nitride charger shaped like a mech robot with glowing blue eyes. Adjustable legs, 3 ports. Charges a MacBook at full speed. Every person who saw it asked, "What is that?" Nobody has ever asked me about a charger before. I named mine. I won't tell you what. Number 3. Divoom Timesgate. 5 full-color LCD screens. Cyberpunk design. Live stock prices, weather, social media stats, and customizable pixel art from millions of community artists. Looks like a Blade Runner prop on your desk. I catch myself just staring at it. If you care about desk setups, this is the centerpiece you didn't know you needed. Number 2. PLAUD NotePin AI Voice Recorder, 1/2 ounce. Clips to your shirt like a lapel pin, records everything. Then AI transcribes in 112 languages, identifies speakers, generates summaries, mind maps, and action items. Automatically. Wore it to a 2-hour brainstorm, pressed one button, and 5 minutes later had a complete, organized summary. The closest thing to a personal assistant that fits in your pocket. 19 gadgets done. Number 1. I'm betting almost nobody watching has seen this before. Number 1. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Cube. I found this by accident, and it changed how I work every single day. It's a physical hexagon timer. Flip it to 25 minutes for deep work. Flip to 5 for a break. Flip upside down for a stopwatch. No app, no phone, no screen. Just flip and focus. It's the Pomodoro technique made into a physical object on your desk. I started using it and realized I'd been lying to myself about how long I actually focus. 25 minutes of real work is harder than you think, and this cube doesn't let you cheat. Magnetic base, USB-C rechargeable, silent vibration alert. The most elegant productivity tool I've ever used, and almost nobody knows it exists. From a cable kit that cleans up your desk, to a cube that reveals how you actually spend your time, 20 gadgets that prove your home office is missing something. My challenge? Pick one, try it for a week, then come back and tell me I was wrong. Like, subscribe, all 20 links below. See you next time.